Hola! On popular demand, today we are making another sangria recipe. A white sangria for the summertime, aka sangria al cava. So let's get started. All the ingredients are in the description. First of all, we are preparing our big jug. And we're going to choose some colorful, different types of fruit. I've chosen some lemon, orange, as well as some peach, some pineapple, a few strawberries, and last but not least, as we do in Spain for good luck, we're adding some grapes. We have to remove the seeds. I mean, this is optional, but I like to do this. You can use any type of colorful fruits, and anything you have extra, just set it aside for decoration. Now we're going to add some sugar, freshly squeezed orange juice, and some white alcohol. I'm adding some gin, but you can use some vodka as well for a little extra punch. You mix it all together and you leave it in the fridge to rest for a couple of hours. Two hours later, we open our champagne, or in Spain we use cava, which is the champagne or sparkling white wine from Catalonia region. And very important, have your jug tilted and pour it very slowly, because you don't want it to be all foamy. Now let's give it another twist. And it's ready to be served. We arrange our table nicely with all the extra pieces for decoration and a few mint leaves. Now, time for serving. The pro tip here is to use a frozen glass so that it tastes extra nice. Don't use ice cube, just keep your glass frozen. Now I'm adding a few extra pieces of lemon and orange, some strawberries, and for a fancy touch, I'm adding a mint leaf. Now it's time to make a toast with my wife here on this hot summer night. And the moment of truth. That was excellent, really refreshing. Salud! Cheers! Adios!